Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2022 Mercury. This is a 9.9 electric start, short shaft, 15-inch. What most likely happened here is the guy bought a boat, probably a little Lumacraft, underpowered, wanted a bigger motor, traded it back in. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Red light pops on here for low oil. It will go off. It's just letting you know that it's working when you fire it up. Pumping good water. It does cavitate a little in this tank. This tank's meant for 20-inch shafts. We filled it a little bit higher, but it still cavitates a little bit. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great Friday.